Hello and welcome to this unboxing video of the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. As you can see, the boxes are much slimmer to the previous iPhone releases. The reason being is that Apple have made a couple of bold decisions regarding the box contents. So without further ado, let's get into the box and take a look. The devices I have here are the iPhone 12 Pro in the Pacific Blue and the iPhone 12 in the black. Within the box there is a USB-C to Lightning cable, a SIM card pin, an Apple sticker, and the user manual. The same is found within the box of the Pro. The obvious items that are missing from the box that usually come within an iPhone release are the Apple earphones, power adapter, and the Lightning to 3.5mm stereo adapter. The reason for this is Apple have made the decision to no longer add them within the box, as they say many people already own these items from previously bought handsets. They have done this to be more conscious of their environmental impact. This has caused a bit of controversy, as some customers may not own the relevant charger, which means they have to go out and buy a new one, even though they have just paid the high price of this phone. If you are needing to get your hands on either a Lightning to 3.5 stereo adapter, a power adapter, or earphones, I have left the links as to where you can find them in the description and comments below. The handset shares many similarities within their physical appearance. The only differences are the iPhone 12 has 3 camera lenses and a LiDAR sensor, in comparison to the iPhone 12 that just has the 2 lenses. The iPhone 12 Pro supports a matte finish along with aluminium edges, whereas the iPhone 12's exterior is formed of a glass back, which is then accompanied by matte finished sides. I personally prefer the exterior of the iPhone 12 Pro with the matte finish, as the glass on the 12 is vulnerable to finger marks. Therefore, I feel the need to constantly wipe the 12 in order for it to look clean. They have the exact same screen size, and as like all of the other devices within the iPhone 12 range, they support flat edges. For me, this is a beneficial attribute of the handset, as when holding it, it feels better for grip. The Pro is the heavier device. This is the consequences of the added camera lens. The weight of the 12 is 164 grams, then the Pro is 186 grams, so there really is only a slight difference, which is only noticeable when holding the two devices side by side. The display has a very thin bezel, enabling you to watch content from your device from an almost edge-to-edge display. The display is completely flat, which I think gives the device a modern and clean aesthetic. The camera notch does not elevate too far from the phone, and can be easily protected by a good case. Ceramic shield glass has been used to construct the screen of the phones. As a result of this, the glass is 4 times tougher than most modern smartphones' displays, which is definitely a bonus. However, if the screen was to become damaged, it would be more pricey to repair. Magsafe is accessible to both handsets, which is a new and improved magnetic way of achieving 15-watt fast charging. With owning one of these handsets, you are able to explore all of the new Magsafe accessories that are available to the iPhone 12 range. These work seamlessly with Magsafe charging. If you would like to see a review of the Magsafe charger and of the official accessories seen here, I have posted the link of our review in the description below. I hope this video has been of some help to you. If you are needing either the Lightning to 3.5mm stereo adapter, earphones, or the power adapter, I have posted the links in the description and comments below as to where you can find them. For more content to keep you up to date with the latest mobile accessories and tech reviews, please hit our subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.